In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated lead management system in Make.com using Pipedrive. We'll guide you step by step through this process, so even if you're new to these tools, you'll be able to set up an efficient system that saves you time and streamlines your workflow. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the Make.com website. This platform is essential for setting up your automated system, as it allows you to connect various applications together. Once you're on the site, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Next, we're going to add Typeform into our workflow. Typeform is a versatile data collection tool, perfect for capturing leads information. You'll need to integrate Typeform with Make.com, and this will enable you to automatically pull in information from any form submissions you receive. This step is crucial because it lays the groundwork for the data flow into your Pipedrive CRM. Now that Typeform is set up, let's integrate the Pipedrive CRM. In your Make.com dashboard, click on the plus sign to add an application. Search for Pipedrive and select it. Pipedrive is a popular CRM platform that allows you to manage leads, contacts, and organizations all in one place. Connecting Pipedrive with Make.com will automate data entry, thus freeing you from the manual input task and reducing errors. After setting up these connections, head over to Pipedrive and navigate to the leads inbox. Here, as new leads come in, you'll want to add them to your CRM by clicking on the plus lead button. It's important to fill out all the necessary details for each lead. Ensure you have all relevant information like names, email addresses, and any other pertinent details. This step is vital for maintaining an organized sales pipeline. Returning to Make.com, we'll now refine our setup by including further actions within Pipedrive. Again, utilize the plus sign to add Pipedrive CRM. This time, select the option to search for a person. Here, we will create a condition to search using the email address field. This not only helps track leads accurately, but prevents duplicate entries in your CRM system. Finally, we'll add another Pipedrive CRM action by clicking the plus sign once more. Here, search for organizations and select it. You'll want to focus on the field that includes the organization's name. Setting up this step ensures that when a lead is associated with an organization, all relevant information is neatly categorized and easily accessible. By following these steps, you've now laid the foundation for an automated lead management system connecting Make.com with Pipedrive. This system should help streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on engaging with leads rather than managing data manually. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!